Okay, I picked up these two backup UPSs from APC from Staples today for Black Friday. They're $39 each at Staples. It's the APC Backup UPS model number BN450M, and they're 450 VA, 255 watts. And what I plan on doing is putting one on the TV and onto the denim system, all the electronics over there. And then the other one's going to go on my Lorix camera system so that when the power goes out, the Lorix doesn't go out. They're made to control PCs for the most part, but 255 watts isn't that much wattage anymore for PCs. So if you get it for a PC, you have to have a real low-end PC that doesn't use that much wattage, perhaps a laptop or a really low-end PC. But these will do fine on things like surround sound, TVs, as I said, the Lorix camera system, security camera system. You just basically plug them into the battery backup portion of the surge protector that are in here. And at $39 each, you can't buy a new battery for $39 for one that goes bad. The batteries for this probably cost about $55 to replace. So when you buy a new one, you're pretty much getting it cheaper than if you bought the batteries themselves. So I'll show you what it looks like after I open the box. So this is basically what you get, a small unit. It's got a sticker over the ones that are battery and surge, and then on the right it's just surge. So if you have items that you don't care if the battery takes over, you put them on the right, but you put your other items on here that you want to protect and have the battery backup kick in. Now, depending on how long the power is out, depends on how this battery lasts. And on the top of the box it shows this. So like an internet modem and router will last 2.3 hours on this because they only consume 10 watts. Where entry-level Mac Mini would take 40 watts and last 45 minutes. A notebook computer and a network gateway will last 15 minutes. A mid-range computer with an LCD monitor, notebook, and network gateway is 5 minutes. Now, I'm just using this for basically low-end power. The power I'm going to probably be using is probably about 30 watts, maybe 40 watts. So it should last about 45 minutes on battery. Even the Lorix probably only uses about 10 watts, so that'll probably stay on for a couple hours. And when you get one of these, they have a sticker on top where you have to connect the battery before you use it. So on the bottom there's usually a little slidey item like this right here. And you could take that off and then plug it in, probably like that. And there you go, now it's connected. Now, when you plug it in, it'll start charging, and let it plug in for like hours, maybe 4 hours, before you plug it into your device. So just plug it in the wall now. And I don't see how the battery moves on this, so you can't even replace the battery in this, which is normal nowadays. They don't really want you to replace the battery. They cost so much more money for the batteries. But this should last 3 years. At least it has a 3-year warranty. Show it here. 3-year unit and battery. So you can expect this to last probably 4 years, really, realistically. For $39 for a 450 VA, that's not too bad. So this has been a review on the APC Backups BN450M battery backup 450 VA.